Hey guys, come on in. So I get a lot of questions about where I get my supplies, and White Bayou is one of my go-tos. So let me show you what I got from White Bayou. Okay, so first I got some mesh, and you got to fill in your bases with some good old mesh, and they got the good mesh, y'all. And look at these beautiful fern sprays. That pretty gold, some ball sprays here, and some sequin ball sprays, and we got some gold bay leaves, y'all. Pretty, and some Chanel stems, the long ones, so you don't have to twist two together. We need those. And we got some green and purple bay leaves, y'all, very pretty, and also some fish line sprays to jazz up that design. Now these green bay leaves, y'all, glittered, plenty of cuts, filling your wreath beautifully. And that purple is so pretty, but look how many cuts you get. Can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong. So pretty. So pretty. And we got a couple of those, and we got some glittered palm sprays, very pretty. We got those in purple and green to fill in those wreaths and add a little, oomph. And I got a few more of the fish line sprays because, that just brings out that wreath. And we got some ball sprays here in beautiful Mardi Gras colors, and the sequin curl spray. I only got one of those. I don't know why. I need a couple more. And I got this big fleur-de-lis with the mask on it, y'all. Glittered, so pretty. That's going to be beautiful as the centerpiece of a wreath. And look at this deluxe ribbon, y'all. Purple and gold vertical, 2.5 inch. Look at that. It's going to make a beautiful bow. Can't wait to use it. And some more deluxe ribbon, 1.5 inch. Look at that wire, y'all. That wire is nice. And this is so pretty. This is RG ribbon, and the wire is nice on that too. And I got some 5/8 inch ribbons here, and another 2.5 inch fleur-de-lis. Look at that, so pretty. That's going to make my bow pop. And I got another 4-inch ribbon here, that deluxe, that deep purple, so pretty. I'm ready for my bows now. I'm ready for my bows. So guys, if you're looking for supplies, go check out whitebayou.com. I'm going to have everything linked so you don't have to search far. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I appreciate you watching my haul. And guys, go check out White Bayou. Bye. Thanks for watching.